there, Narek is here. Today I'm gonna solve with you the first exercise of 2017, the first session, chemistry, which is an exercise related to the part of atoms. So, chemical elements of the human body. 98.5% of the human body mass is constituted of 6 elements: oxygen, carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, calcium, and phosphorus. Most of the human body is composed of water. Therefore, the most present element in the human body mass is oxygen. Carbon C is the basic element of the organic cells. It comes in the second position. Document 1 shows the schematics representation of hydrogen and oxygen atoms. By referring to document 1, answer the following questions. Determine the atomic number of the oxygen atom. So we need to find out the atomic number of the oxygen. In order to find out the atomic number, we have to check document 1. We have to count the number of electrons. So you have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, it's 8. We can say that the atomic number of oxygen is 8 simply because the atom is neutral. So it will have 8 electrons, so Z is equal to 8. So Z is equal to 8. Calculate the relative charge of the electronic cloud of the hydrogen atom, knowing that the relative charge of an electron is 1 minus. So you need the Q of the cloud is actually equal to Z, the number of electrons, times the charge of the relative charge of one electron. We have one electron times 1 minus, so it will remain 1 minus. This will be the charge of the relative charge of the cloud of hydrogen atom. Explain the bond formation in water molecule H2O. So in this case, you have to talk about that hydrogen needs 1 electron in order to obey the duet rule. As for oxygen, it needs 2 electrons in order to obey the octet rule. So you need 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Each hydrogen will share its electron with the oxygen atom, and by sharing electrons, we will form 2 simple covalent bonds. So you will have H bond O, another bond H. So this will be 2 single covalent bonds. Document 2 shows the atomic number and the mass number of 4 atoms A, B, C, and D. Atom A, B, C, D, atomic number 6, 26, and 18, mass number 12, 40, 14, 40. Indicate the isotopes among these 4 atoms. Justify. So you need to know about the isotopes. In order to find out the isotopes, you need to check the atomic numbers. So isotopes are elements which have the same atomic number, but the number of mass is different. So if you check, the elements having the same atomic number are A and C. A has atomic number 6, C has atomic number 6, while A has a number of mass number 12 and C has a mass number of 14. So A and C are isotopes. Again, as for justification, you need to say that isotopes are elements having the same atomic number but mass number different. One of the preceding isotopes represent the basic element of the organic cell. Pick out from the text the name of this element. So you need to find out that the basic element of the organic cells is carbon. That's why you need to say that this element is actually carbon. Write a symbolic representation of an atom of this element, knowing that its mass number is equal to 12. So it will be C612. The electron configuration of the nitride ion N3- is K2L8. Choose among the electron configuration given below the one that corresponds to the nitrogen atom. So we have the nitride atom. It has already gained 3 electrons, so its configuration will be K2L8. So the initial atom, which has 3 electrons less than the ion, will be K2L5. So it's not the first one, it's not the second one, it will be the third one. It cannot be K2L8M5 because it will have to remain on the same energy level Kl. So it's K2L8, K2L5. So that's all for this exercise, which was exercise number 1, session 27, 2017, the first session. So I'm going to ask you to subscribe to my channel. You'll be notified whenever I upload new material or whenever I solve new exercises. I can also share with you my Instagram and Facebook account. You can contact me directly, or you can simply leave a comment below. That's all for this time, and see you later.